Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hand warmers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Sporttemp Large Hand and Body Warmers. These warmers come in a pack of 45, making them ideal for frequent outdoor enthusiasts who need sustained heat for extended periods. Each warmer provides up to 18 hours of continuous warmth, making them one of the longest-lasting options on this list. They're air-activated and easy to use. Just tear open the package, shake to activate, and you'll feel the heat within 15 to 30 minutes. The TSA compliance and compact design make them travel-friendly and perfect for skiing, hiking, or tailgating. While the performance is solid, the design is relatively basic compared to competitors. The material is non-woven, and while functional, it doesn't stand out in terms of aesthetics or premium feel. On the upside, the ingredients are environmentally harmless, and the product is backed by a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. However, the $29.99 price tag makes this the most expensive option on the list, and while you get a lot of individual warmers, the cost per unit is higher than some other offerings. This product is ideal for those who need reliable warmth for extended outdoor activities. The biggest drawback is the price, but if longevity and quantity are your priorities, the Sporttemp warmers are worth considering. At number 4, we have the Uniand AI Hand Warmers Rechargeable 2-Pack, a high-tech solution for those looking for reusable warmth. These electric hand warmers come equipped with AI temperature sensor chips, providing precise heat control with 3 adjustable levels. The dual design allows you to use them separately or combine them into one unit for 360-degree warmth. With a 6,000 mAh battery capacity, these warmers last between 8.5 to 20 hours, depending on the heat setting, and charge fully in just 4 hours using the included Type-C cable. The design is sleek and ergonomic, inspired by supercar craftsmanship, and fits comfortably in your palm. Safety is a major highlight here, with CE and FCC certifications ensuring reliable use. However, while the technology is impressive, these warmers are heavier than disposable options and require charging, which may not be ideal for those who prefer instant activation. These are great for tech-savvy users or anyone looking for a sustainable alternative to single-use warmers. Priced at $19.99, they offer excellent value for their features and are perfect for gifting. The only real downside is the need for regular charging, which might be inconvenient during long outdoor trips. At number 3, we have the Hot Hands Body and Hand Super Warmers. This pack includes 10 individual warmers, each capable of delivering up to 18 hours of natural, odorless heat. Designed for convenience and portability, these air-activated warmers are as simple as it gets. Just open the package, shake to activate, and you're good to go. They're ideal for tailgating, hiking, camping, or even walking your dog on a chilly day. Plus, they're TSA approved, making them travel-friendly. The design is compact and straightforward, and the warmers heat up within 15 to 30 minutes. While the build quality is solid, the disposable nature means you'll need to keep restocking if you use them frequently. At $6.50 for 10 warmers, they're an affordable option for occasional use, but might not be as cost-effective for daily users compared to larger value packs. These warmers are perfect for anyone who needs reliable, hassle-free heat for short-term outdoor activities. The low price point and long-lasting warmth make them a standout choice for budget-conscious buyers, but frequent users might want to consider larger packs for better value. At number 2, we have the Hot Hands Hand Warmer Value Pack. This is the budget champion of the list, costing just $6 for a pack of 10 warmers. These single-use, air-activated hand warmers are incredibly easy to use and provide up to 18 hours of consistent warmth. Whether you're camping, skiing, or attending a football game, These compact warmers are great for keeping your hands comfortable in cold weather. The build quality is reliable, and they use natural ingredients like iron and water to generate heat, making them environmentally friendly. The design is simple but effective, and the warmers are TSA approved for hassle-free travel. However, being single-use, they may not be the most sustainable option for frequent users. Additionally, the smaller pack size means you'll need to buy more if you use them regularly. This product is ideal for occasional users or those on a tight budget who need quick, disposable warmth. While the performance is excellent for the price, it's worth considering larger packs for better overall value if you plan to use them frequently. Finally, at number 1, we have the Hot Hands Body and Hand Super Warmers, a true crowd favorite. This pack includes an impressive 40 individual warmers, making it perfect for frequent users or those planning extended trips. Each warmer provides up to 18 hours of consistent, natural heat. Whether you're camping, hiking, or attending outdoor events in the dead of winter, these warmers are versatile and reliable. The design is compact and travel-friendly, and the warmers heat up within 15 to 30 minutes of activation. The ingredients are eco-friendly, and the product is made in the USA with a focus on quality. At $25.50 for 40 warmers, the cost per unit is incredibly competitive, delivering excellent value for money. The only downside is that they are single-use, which might not appeal to environmentally conscious buyers looking for reusable options. These warmers are the ultimate solution for anyone who needs consistent, long-lasting heat on a regular basis. If you're planning a winter adventure or just want to stock up for the season, this pack offers unbeatable value and performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.